All right, welcome back, students, for another video in our classes series. So this is really kind of a review section as well to help nail down the ArrayList class. So we're not actually adding to the class we created. Instead, we're going to focus over here on our tester and do a couple things. Just to do a really quick ArrayList review, since that's a topic we went over pretty quickly last week. You may not have covered in CS1. And something that is very useful. And this will build into our next video, which is talking about static methods. So let's jump in here. So we want to create an array list. So if we remember correctly, it's array list, and then we use our less than, greater than signs to talk about or to identify what it holds. So we're going to hold teams. We're going to make an array list of teams. Let's call it my teams. One other thought is, in the future, if you were really using this program for real, you could make an array list of ACC teams or an array list of SEC teams or MAC teams or AAC teams, or you could basically, this might hold a conference worth of teams. It may also hold all college teams. It may also hold all pro teams, right? So this array list might represent any type of grouping of teams. For me, I'm going to call it my teams. That's going to be equal new array list. We're going to make a new array list object that holds teams. And it's going to start with nothing. So we don't need any input. It's just going to be an empty array list. Now, when you start an array list, you're going to get this error. Java, now be warned, in here I'm going to click this quick fix provided by Eclipse, which is import array list. You should never click a quick fix unless you know it's the thing you're looking for. So I know that the thing that I'm missing is the import array list. So I know that this quick fix will work, but I'm going to caution you strongly against doing this unless you know exactly what it's suggesting and exactly why, and that it is the exact thing you want. So I know that this is what I want. I want to import java.util.ArrayList, so I'm going to let Eclipse do that for me. All right, so we've imported the ArrayList class so that we can create our array list of teams. And now I asked you in this step, or what I'm going to do in this step is add 3 teams to it. Hopefully you guys remember that you do myteams.add, and then you add a team. So we're going to add Elon. We're going to add Clemson that we created earlier, or whatever team you chose to create. And then we're probably want to add, I don't have another team created, but this is also a good reminder that you can just create a team. And let's create the Duke Blue Devils. And add them into our team here. Good local university. So Elon, Clemson, and now Duke are in my array list of teams. All right, so that is the whole goal here. This video was just a quick refresher on basic array list usage and creation. It's something that I may ask you to create an array list and add stuff to it. This is a really good quick reference for that. And so this will be a really short video. In our next one, we'll talk about creating a static method in our tester class. And normally I would avoid this, but the real reason we're doing it is because Zybook likes to do it. And in order to read and understand Zybook, I think this will be really helpful. So I'll see you guys in the next video.